Is that tasty? Is that tasty? Mmm.
That's so good. You doing your noises? What does a cow say? Moo. What does a duck say? What does a chicken say? That's the cutest thing I've ever heard in my life. What does Mama say? Mama's usually that quiet, right?
What about a cat? Oh, so cute.
You drink your water.
Can you see a boat? Is there a boat? Can you see one?
Have some water, please.
Oh, I hear a police car.
Wow. It's got blackberries in it.
Yeah.
Raspberries. Want some more cheesy toast? Delicious. Lunchtime classic. You pick it up. That's called Mama's Fine Dining, right? What does a tiger say?